February 13th, Golden Bear Challenge, Section 2 of the men's 600 meter.
On your marks.
Around the road, we've heard that one of these competitors wants to take it out hard. We'll see what they do. Getting Spotax on the outside, Gerard Mance, Emmett Harrison, Colton Quinn, Jared Welch, Mackenzie Dawson, and Daniel Manzukia. Kenton Sportag takes him through 25-2. Sportag leading the way over Emmett Harrison. Now moving on the outside, Colton Quinn. Quinn moves up to third. It's still Kenton Sportag leading the way. Sportag, Emmett Harrison. Sportag, Harrison, and Quinn. Jordan Mance. 52-8. And it's Quinn Sportag, Emmett Harrison. Now moving the Colton Quinn. John Mance has now moved to third. Cutting into the final straightaway. Sportag has led from the onset. Kenton Sportag, Jordan Mance, Emmett Harrison.